Good evening, everyone. Anyone 50 and over can now get a vaccine in Mississippi, but there are still some obstacles for people living in rural areas when it comes to making those appointments.
But as WCBI's Allie Martin reports, one organization is doing what it can to help make the process easier for folks in North Mississippi.
People began lining up early Wednesday at the GSV Care Medical Clinic to get the vaccine. It's part of an effort by a Tupelo-based nonprofit to bring the vaccine to people in rural areas. 81-year-old Annie Foy doesn't have her own transportation to get to a vaccine site. And when she tried to schedule a vaccine online, there was always one problem.
Every time you tried to get one, it was always full. You couldn't get one.
So when she had an opportunity to ride with a group of senior citizens to New Holka for a vaccine, she didn't hesitate.
It's very important to get the vaccine because we really need this, because we really need these numbers and things to go down.
It is people just like Mrs. Foy that Project ELECT is trying to help. ELECT is an acronym for Enthusiastic Leaders Engaged in Challenging Times. The nonprofit works to connect people and organizations to other community groups. Members of Project ELECT heard that there was a need for the vaccines in Chickasaw County, so they contacted the GSV Care Medical Clinic and helped make it happen. Like many people, Project ELECT member Maurice Schumpert was reluctant to take the vaccine, but after talking with medical professionals, he decided to get the shot.
I'm already pretty healthy. I have no underlying conditions. I don't even take any kind of prescriptions or anything.
Right.
So I took it mainly not for me, but for people who I come in contact with.
Amanda Griffin is a nurse practitioner at the clinic, and she says it's important to make sure the vaccine is widely distributed across the state.
Finding a place that's close that that they can go and get the vaccine. So has been an issue for us. People getting to different places that may have that offer the vaccine.
Project ELECT is hoping this will be the first of many similar outreaches to help those in rural areas get the vaccine. In New Holka, Allie Martin, WCBI News.
A survey from the Kaiser Family Foundation shows that 15% of rural residents would probably not get a safe COVID-19 vaccine if it was available. 65 doses were given at the New Holka clinic.